Hey everyone, so I have this old cat scratcher that my cats have done a number on, and I saw online that you can rewrap these with some new rope. So over here I have some rope, a staple gun, a knife to cut off the old stuff, the old rope, and some pliers, and a screwdriver in case there's any issue getting the old staples out. So I am going to cut off the old rope first, remove any staples, and then I'm going to try and wrap the new rope on as tightly as possible. And hopefully this thing turns out like new and my cats can scratch it to their heart's content. These staples are coming out pretty easy. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. That was a couple of staples there. I guess I'm going to start. I guess I'll start at the bottom and see how that works. Oh, okay. Okay, so it works. Why isn't it? Let me try up top. All right. The easiest way to do this might just be to twist this thing around as I go. Oh, no, 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 no. Tried to change it up and it got away from me. All right, the end of the first one. Let's put a couple staples in it. And I'm gonna put some staples in the middle of it up here. So far, not looking too bad. Start. The next rung. Alright, let's get it so where you can see it. Sorry if this keeps going off camera. I'm going to start it here and then just try to fill in. Well, I don't know. Should I start it there? Let me see if I can saw some of this off. There we go. Now the knife's working. So maybe I could start it. I could double up just a little bit right there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to double it up and then oh, it didn't go in all the way. All right, take two. Staple gun is smarter than I am. It doesn't want to work. All right, let's go underneath it like that. All right, put another one. There, and another one there, and now we'll start twisting it around again. Okay, here we go. All right, I think I'm down at the bottom. throw just a couple more staples in here. Make sure it's not going anywhere. Oh, and we're done. Well, I gotta clean up, but that was not easy. And that staple didn't go in. That's great. Okay, let's try again. Tuck that in there. All right. And a new scratching post. That was not fun. And if you take on this project, my suggestion would be to unspool the rope first, because it was quite frustrating having it be all tangled up like that and trying to wrap it. But yeah, now this thing can stay at a landfill, and hopefully my cats will get a little bit more use out of it rather than scratching up my couch. Anyway, if you can tell, I'm out of breath. Whew. Anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching.